always and always, two different meanings. This means always. Lots of different directions, lots of different methods. So she tried all ways to get the children to shut up. So she gave them sweets, she put them in front of the telly, she threatened them, she sent them to bed. She tried all ways. The man always liked to look at all ways of getting to Glasgow. So he might go up to Edinburgh, he might go fly to the Isle of Skye and then come over that way. He might tunnel underground. He looked at all ways of getting there, of achieving that goal. Now this always means you do it all the time. So I always bemoan the fact that I'm too fat, and I always do nothing about it. Yeah, that's perfectly true. So always just means it's always the same. That is the way it is, and it always was, always will be, that sort of always. This is lots of different ways of doing something or going somewhere. Okay, again, that will probably turn up in the close tests or possibly the spellings as well, and that's what is particularly nasty, is when it is spelt right but it's the wrong word in the wrong place. See you soon.